Unsalted butter has been a staple in kitchens around the world for centuries, valued for its rich flavor and versatility in cooking and baking. While butter has often been regarded with suspicion due to its fat content, unsalted butter provides numerous health benefits when consumed in moderation. Packed with essential nutrients and beneficial compounds, unsalted butter can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet. In this article, we will delve into the health benefits of unsalted butter, its nutritional profile, and how it can enhance your culinary creations. Nutritional profile of unsalted butter. Unsalted butter is a dairy product derived from the cream of milk, primarily consisting of butterfat, water, and milk proteins. The composition of unsalted butter is approximately 80 fat, with the remaining 20 made up of water and other components. Here is a breakdown of its nutritional profile per tablespoon. 14 grams, calories, 102 total fat, 12 grams saturated fat, 7 grams monounsaturated fat, 3 grams polyunsaturated fat, 0.5 grams cholesterol, 31 milligrams sodium, 1 milligram unsalted vitamins, vitamin A, 11 of the daily value DP vitamin D, 1 of the divide vitamin E, 1 of the divide vitamin K2, important for bone health and cardiovascular function. Minerals, calcium, 1 of the divide phosphorus, 1 of the divide. The absence of added salt in unsalted butter allows for better control of sodium intake, making it a healthier choice for those monitoring their sodium consumption. Key health benefits of unsalted butter. Rich source of essential vitamins. Unsalted butter is an excellent source of vitamin A fat-soluble vitamin critical for maintaining healthy vision, immune function, and skin health. Vitamin A plays a vital role in the formation of rhodopsin, a protein in the eyes that allows for night vision. Additionally, it supports the integrity of epithelial tissues, including the skin and mucous membranes. Another important nutrient found in unsalted butter is vitamin K2, which is essential for bone health and cardiovascular function. Vitamin K2 helps regulate calcium metabolism in the body, ensuring that calcium is deposited in the bones and teeth rather than in the arteries. This can potentially reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases and osteoporosis. Supports heart health. While butter has historically been associated with heart disease due to its saturated fat content, recent research suggests that moderate consumption of unsalted butter may not significantly increase the risk of cardiovascular problems. The saturated fats in butter can raise both LDL bad and HDL good cholesterol levels. This balance can be beneficial for heart health, as higher levels of HDL cholesterol are associated with a lower risk of heart disease. Unsalted butter also contains butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid that has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. Butyrate can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is a significant contributor to various chronic diseases, including heart disease. Incorporating unsalted butter into a balanced diet may provide benefits when consumed in moderation. Promotes healthy skin. The vitamins and healthy fats in unsalted butter contribute to skin health. Vitamin A is known for its role in maintaining skin integrity and hydration. This vitamin supports the production of new skin cells and helps prevent dryness and flakiness. Additionally, the fats in unsalted butter provide a protective barrier against moisture loss, promoting overall skin health. Vitamin E, also found in butter, is a potent antioxidant that helps combat oxidative stress and prevent skin aging. The combination of these vitamins makes unsalted butter an excellent addition to skincare routines, both through dietary intake and topical application. Supports gut health. Unsalted butter contains butyrate, a beneficial short-chain fatty acid that serves as an energy source for the cells lining the intestines. Butyrate has been shown to promote gut health by reducing inflammation and supporting the gut barrier. A healthy gut lining is essential for preventing leaky gut syndrome, which can lead to various health issues, including autoimmune diseases and food intolerances. Consuming unsalted butter may help maintain a healthy gut microbiome, promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria and improving overall digestive health. By nourishing the good bacteria in the intestines, unsalted butter can contribute to better digestion and nutrient absorption. Provides healthy fats. Unsalted butter contains a unique combination of saturated and unsaturated fats. While it is essential to limit trans fats and excessive saturated fats, incorporating moderate amounts of healthy fats from sources like unsalted butter can be beneficial. These fats are necessary for hormone production, nutrient absorption, and overall cellular function. The saturated fats in unsalted butter can also provide a source of energy, making it a suitable choice for those following low-carb or ketogenic diets. When consumed in moderation, unsalted butter can be part of a healthy, balanced diet that supports overall well-being. Enhances flavor in cooking. One of the most enjoyable aspects of unsalted butter is its rich flavor, which can enhance various dishes. It adds creaminess to sauces, enhances the taste of baked goods, and provides a delicious finish to vegetables and grains. Unsalted butter allows for better control over sodium levels in your meals, making it a smart choice for health-conscious cooks. When using unsalted butter in cooking, you can adjust the seasoning of your dishes according to your taste and dietary needs. This flexibility makes it an excellent ingredient for a wide range of recipes, from savory to sweet. How to incorporate unsalted butter into your diet. Adding unsalted butter to your meals is simple and versatile. Here are some popular ways to enjoy its health benefits. Cooking and sautéing. Use unsalted butter for sautéing vegetables, fish, or meats. It adds flavor and richness to your dishes while providing healthy fats. Baking. Incorporate unsalted butter into baked goods like cookies, cakes, and pastries for a rich texture and flavor. Its creamy consistency helps create tender and moist baked products. Spread on bread. Enjoy a thin layer of unsalted butter on whole grain bread, muffins, or pancakes. This adds a delicious taste while providing essential nutrients. Flavoring grains. Toss cooked grains like rice, quinoa, or pasta with a bit of unsalted butter for added flavor. It enhances the taste and texture of these staple foods. In sauces, use unsalted butter as a base for sauces, such as a classic beurre blanc or a simple garlic butter sauce. The rich flavor of butter will elevate your culinary creations. Considerations for consumption. While unsalted butter offers numerous health benefits, it is essential to consume it in moderation. Here are some considerations for incorporating unsalted butter into your diet. Moderation is key. Aim for a balanced diet that includes a variety of healthy fats from different sources, such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Unsalted butter should be one part of a diverse dietary plan. Be mindful of overall saturated fat intake. The American Heart Association recommends that saturated fat intake should be limited to less than 6 of total daily calories. For a 2,000-calorie diet, this equates to about 13 grams of saturated fat per day. Choose high-quality butter. Opt for high-quality, grass-fed unsalted butter when possible. Grass-fed butter is often richer in omega-3 fatty acids and fat-soluble vitamins compared to conventionally produced butter. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body responds to dietary fats. Some individuals may have different tolerances to saturated fats. If you have specific health concerns, consult with a healthcare provider or registered dietitian. Conclusion: unsalted butter is a nutrient-dense ingredient that can offer several health benefits when consumed in moderation. From its rich source of vitamins and support for heart and gut health to its ability to enhance the flavor of dishes, unsalted butter can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet. By incorporating this versatile ingredient into your meals, you can enjoy its delicious flavor and reap the numerous advantages it provides. As with all fats, moderation is essential, and it's crucial to balance your overall fat intake with other healthy fats from sources like nuts, seeds, and avocados. Embrace the culinary versatility and health benefits of unsalted butter while enjoying its rich, delicious flavor in your everyday cooking. Whether you're sautéing vegetables, baking a cake, or simply spreading it on toast, unsalted butter can be a delightful and nutritious part of your diet.